Hello everyone. Today we're looking at Notion AI and Mem AI. These are two of the best tools for managing your work. While they both use artificial intelligence, they work in very different ways. Notion is a tool built on structure. It uses pages and blocks to help you build a workspace. Notion AI is like having a smart assistant inside that system. It can write drafts, fix grammar, and summarize long documents. In 2026, Notion AI has become even more powerful with new agents. These agents can look at your data and complete tasks for you across different apps. It is great for teams that need to keep everything in one place. You can build databases and track projects with a lot of detail. If you like to have a specific spot for every file, Notion is for you. Mem AI takes a different path. It does not use folders or traditional structure. Instead, it uses a stream of notes. Mem is designed to be your second brain. The AI learns how you think and connects your notes automatically. You do not have to worry about where you saved the thought. You just type it in and let the AI handle the organization. Mem Chat is the core feature here. You can ask it questions about your own life or past work. It finds the answer by looking through every note you have ever written. It is perfect for people who want to save time and avoid manual sorting. The main difference is how you find your info. In Notion, you go to a folder. In Mem, you just ask the AI. Notion is the best for groups who need strict rules. Mem is best for individuals who want a fast way to store ideas. Choosing between them depends on your style. If you want a digital office, pick Notion. If you want a digital memory, pick Mem. Both are great tools for modern world. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.